Question 1. Ashoka was much influenced by Buddhist monk called A. Upagupta, B. Vasubandhu, C. Ambhi, D. Aswaghosha. Answer: A. Upagupta. Question 2. In the 6th century BC, northern India was divided into A. 16 great states, B. 8 republican states, C. both A and B above, D. Anga and Magadha. Answer: C. both A and B above. Question 3. Of all the states in northern India in 6th century BC, which of the following states emerged as the most powerful? A. Anga, B. Magadha, C. Kashi, D. Koshala. Answer: B. Magadha. Question 4. When Alexander invaded India, Magadha was being ruled by The. A. Haryankas, B. Sisunagas, C. Nandas, D. Mauryas. Answer: C. Nandas. Question 5. Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Chanakya decided to overthrow the Nandas because A. Chanakya had been humiliated by the Nandas. B. The Nandas had accumulated a great deal of wealth by extortion and oppression of the people. C. Chanakya wanted to restore the ideal of Kshatriya rule. D. All of these. Answer: B. The Nandas had accumulated a great deal of wealth by extortion and oppression of the people. Question 6. The decline of the Nandas at the hands of Kautilya and Chandragupta Maurya has been vividly portrayed in the Sanskrit play written by Kalidasa. A. Mudra Rakshas, B. Devi Chandragupta, C. Malavikagnamithram, D. Mrichakatika. Answer: C. Malavikagnamithram. Question 7. Kautilya, also known as Vishnugupta and Chanakya, is the author of Arthasastra, which has been compared with A. Plato's state, B. Machiavelli's prince, C. Karl Marx's Das Kapital, D. Hitler's Mein Kampf. Answer: B. Machiavelli's prince. Question 8. Megasthenes visited India during the period of A. Chandragupta II, B. Ashoka, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Harsha. Answer: C. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 9. The Indica was written by A. Kautilya, B. Patanjali, C. Megasthenes, D. Panini. Answer: C. Megasthenes. Question 10. Mauryan dynasty was founded by A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Pushyamitra, D. Ajatasattu. Answer: B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 11. The main occupation of the Aryans was A. Weaving, B. Agriculture, C. Trade, D. Seafaring. Answer: B. Agriculture. Question 12. The Rig Veda consists of A. 1000 hymns, B. 1028 hymns, C. 500 hymns, D. 2000 hymns. Answer: B. 1028 hymns. Question 13. The Yichi were driven out from western China by The. A. Hunas, B. Rashtrika, C. Mongols, D. Bhojaks. Answer: A. Hunas. Question 14. During the Mauryan period was in the hands of A. 3 boards, B. 4 boards, C. 5 boards, D. 6 boards. Answer: D. 6 boards. Question 15. Which of the following minor rock edicts of Ashoka describes the conquest of Kalinga by Ashoka? A. No. 13. B. No. X. C. No. 11. D. No. 12. Answer: A. No. 13. Question 16. Which of the following Vedas is rendered musically? A. Rig Veda, B. Yajur Veda, C. Samaveda, D. Atharva Veda. Answer: C. Samaveda. Question 17. Of the following, who was the hero of a famous drama Malkagnamitra written by Kalidasa? A. Vasumitra, B. Vajramitra, C. Pushyamitra, D. Agnimitra. Answer: D. Agnimitra. Question 18. The duties of Dharmamahamitras are explained in the Minor Rock Edict No. A. X. B. IV. C. 12. D. V. Answer. D. 5. Question 19. The Vishnu Purana gives an account of A. Mauryan dynasty. B. The Andhras. C. The Vardhanas. D. Life in Indus Valley. Answer. A. Mauryan dynasty. Question 20. A well-organized state machinery was introduced for the first time by A. The Vedic Aryans. B. Alexander. C. The Guptas. D. The Mauryas. Answer. D. The Mauryas.